Wagwan everybody, it's been a while. Happy New Year and Black History Month to you all. It's your girl Christina Bolageer. I'm finally back with another video, and as you can see, we now have an overhead view of my drawing process. So yeah, as you can tell, I'm very excited. It's been a long time coming, and I've always wanted to give you guys this overhead view of me creating some of my artworks from, just from a different angle, instead of just, giving y'all a speed paint to watch, Although, I must admit, I did not think it was going to be so hard to record while drawing like this. But, once I got in that creative zone, I somehow forgot that I was recording with my phone. So yeah, it definitely worked out well in the end. This piece was inspired by green pans that I saw when I was scrolling on Pinterest. And y'all know how it goes when you're looking for reference pictures to draw or just to practice in general. It kind of takes you a bit of time to find something to be, inspired by. In my case, I was more looking for action poses to practice because that's one of my things that I want to do more of this year. So yeah, it was kind of funny how I came across it in the midst of everything I was looking for. The pants was pretty cute, y'all. It was in a soft lime green shade, or color. And it made me really go, you know what? If I saw this in a store right now, I would definitely purchase it. And, one thing about me is I'm very picky when it comes to clothes. So it's a bit surprising how it made me think more in depth about what I could pair it with, what kind of top could go well with it, the hairstyle I could wear it in, and even a bag I could pair it with if I'm on an outing. So I decided, you know what, let me put this on a character and see what colors would work with the pants and see where it takes me. And I'm not gonna talk for the rest of this video. If I have anything else to say, I'll just add some captions. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to give y'all a bit of an insight of where I got my inspiration from for this piece, just to show you that we can find inspiration when we least expect it, even in the smallest of places, and it can be at random as well. But I hope you enjoy the rest of this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Love y'all.